Brad Williams, XL Primes. Rate golf scores. We're going to categorize. We've done this a couple times in the past. All we're going to do with a different format here, we're going to use if throughout. Just think of it as you're not familiar with the other tools we've used. You're comfortable using if. You just have a manager. We have a golf score. This probably should be golfer. We have a rating. This could be anything. If you score 65, you get a D rating. Probably should be an A. These are backwards. Forget whatever the golf score is. It's just score. 65 here represents a D. We have this predefined category. We have predefined F, D ratings. Kind of looks like a lookup, doesn't it? We're not going to use a lookup. We're just going to use if. All we're going to do is, you already can see the weaknesses in this. Oh, look at all the data entry. C5 is less than 64, it's an F. These are all just nested. If C5 is less than 63, D. If C5 is less than 85, C. So on. And then the last, anything greater than 95 is an A. Old school. This is old school. Sometimes you're comfortable dealing with old school stuff. Go in here and change this thing up. Reverse it. Say greater than. Say equal to and greater than. Rework the if. This stuff is, you're doing complex functions and formulas. And then I lay this on you, you're going, oh, wow, I forgot how to do this. Why I threw it at you. Brad Williams, XL Prime.